Battery electric vehicle sales, known as BEVs, have stood out as a shining beacon in a rather depressed car market this year. Global BEV sales in the first half of 2022 rose by 81% compared to the last year. This is impressive in its own right, but even more so when one considers that overall global sales of all powertrains actually fell by 12% in the same period. Having said that, we'll be referring to the latest PricewaterhouseCoopers Automobile Industry Report on Electric Vehicle Sales Review as of second quarter 2022. Much of the increase can be attributed to China, where battery electric vehicle sales more than doubled in first half. Plug-in hybrid electric vehicle sales growth was even more rapid in China, up by 170% in first half versus first half of 2021. Although the absolute number of plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, known as PHEV, sales were significantly lower than for battery electric vehicles. PHEV market in Europe has been heading in the opposite direction as original equipment manufacturers prioritize BEV sales in order to meet emission targets and burgeoning customer demand. In the first half of 2022, overall plug-in hybrid electric vehicle sales decreased by 14%. The 10 European market analyzed relative to the same period last year. As electric vehicle startups are now finding it increasingly challenging to raise the market funding, they need to continue and expand their operations. Established original equipment manufacturers are now in an ideal position to benefit from this market growth. This is the market analysis somewhere around mid of this year in the regions of France, Germany, Italy, Spain, and UK. Despite a comparative slowdown in growth during the first half of this year, supply of parts, BEV sales in the top 5 European markets still grew by 24% from the corresponding period last year. Highest growth in this period was registered in the UK. In the other European markets, Netherlands and Sweden recorded the highest increase in battery electric vehicle sales, which is up by 82% and 77% respectively in the first half of this year. When we consider Asian markets, BEV sales in China hit the 2 million mark in the first half of 2022, more than doubling in comparison with the same period last year. Although the market share of Japan's electric vehicle market is now more than 50%, it relies almost exclusively on the sale of hybrids. Battery electric vehicle sales grew by 76% in first half. After taking some time to gain momentum, the US battery electric vehicle market has been continuing its recent rapid rise, up by 78% in first half of this year. BEV market share has tripled in the space of 18 months, up from 1.6% for the year of 2022, 4.8% in first half of this year. With that, we'll be concluding the presentation. For more of this kind of presentations and videos, kindly Google Gayan Nayanajith. Thanks for watching.